Hey guys, so by now we've probably all looked at how to work out our sine ratio, which we call our sine theta, our cos ratio, which we call our cos theta, and our tan ratio, which we call our tan of theta. And we have probably all looked at the triangle, and we know that if we have an angle theta here, then we're going to have an opposite side, which I've done here in yellow. We're going to have a hypotenuse, which I've done here in purple. I'll put that in a better color, done here in purple. And we're going to have a adjacent side, which I've done here in green. Opposite, adjacent, and hypotenuse. So we know that our sine theta is equal to our opposite side divided by our hypotenuse. We know that our cos theta is equal to our adjacent side divided by our hypotenuse. Oops, sorry. Our adjacent side divided by our hypotenuse, and our tan theta is equal to our opposite side divided by our adjacent side. So if you don't know any of these ratios, you are welcome to go and have a look. We've got some other videos out on the sine, the cos, and the tan ratios. So what we're looking for is a way that we can actually remember what each of these different ratios are. So I think you'll find that most textbooks and most people will say that you use Soh Cah Toa or Soh Cah Toa. Don't know how you say it. I say Soh Cah Toa. And this is just a little rhyme which we use, and it's not even a rhyme, it's just a little thing we use to help us remember it. Soh Cah Toa. Basically what it says if you have the sine ratio, so S, this is equal to the opposite side divided by the hypotenuse, and you get Soh. If you have Cah, the cos ratio, I'll do this over here, cos ratio, which is denoted with a C, is the adjacent side divided by the hypotenuse side. And the tan ratio, T, is equal to the opposite side divided by the adjacent side. So we say Soh Cah Toa, you just write them out. So if you want to work out the sine ratio, opposite hypotenuse, cos ratio, adjacent hypotenuse, tan ratio, opposite divided by adjacent. So it's a quick way to work it out. We can just scrub this out. And if I said work out the sine ratio of this particular triangle, where you would say I need the sine. How do I remember my sine? Well, I go Soh Cah Toa. My sine is my opposite divided by my hypotenuse. Opposite divided by hypotenuse. So with that, you guys should never forget, always use Soh Cah Toa and you'll be fine. So I'll put out some examples on calculating some of these angles and side lengths. Have a look at them. Cheers.